This is Andy Dome for assignment 1, demographic video presentation. Today we're just going to look at some different demographics throughout my district and my school itself. So my district's USD259 Wichita, as you see here. Let's go ahead and head down to our demographics. All right, so we're at 51% male to female ratio here. And continue down. We'll change the subgroup by race. And my school, or for USD 259, it's pretty spread out. As you can see, we're at our highest population there is Hispanic. So we have a very diverse school, and this looks very similar to mine at West High too. Let me go ahead and switch to West High for you. All right, so now you can kind of see our West male to female. Also, let me get down to and we'll go ahead and put state comparison on there too, so you can kind of tell. So you can see with our building here, we're also kind of right exactly like the district is with that. The state though is at 64% compared to where West High is. You can see it's very diverse compared to the normal Wichita school, or not Wichita State school, excuse me. So moving through that, we'll kind of look here at some other topics. Something I find is very interesting with our school is the amount of special education students we have. West High has 20% of students with disabilities, which seems fairly high to me. But we'll look at the state comparison here, and you can kind of tell that we are about 6% higher of our school compared to the rest of the state. So we do have a lot of kids that need that extra help, extra attention in the classroom. All right, you can see our ELL kids are 20%, non-ELL 79%, kind of same thought process with that. And we'll go here. This is one that I wasn't surprised with our district or with my school. Economically disadvantaged, we're at 82%. That means 82% of our kids have free and reduced lunch, which is awesome for those kids, but you can tell that our community needs help to kind of get these kids through school. We try to push them as much as we can. We know it can be a tough school at times, but I want our kids to have as good an education as anybody in the district. So we need to keep giving them ways to improve their way of life, ways to graduate and make more money on the next chapter of their life after high school. But you can see the state here is at 48, 51%, about half. So you can see that our school is definitely on the higher end of that. And we'll go ahead and look at our scores here. Let me go back to that. And we can look at our West High. I could show the state. Yeah, I guess it does at the same time. So you can see our building, our district, and our state for graduation indicators. We're only at 69%. We actually did move up to 74% this year, which was nice. And also you can see with the district at 73 and the state at 86. So we're trying to build our numbers up, but we did get our average up to the district average, which was awesome for our kids this year. Our graduation rate continues to rise. We've got about 1,300 kids in the building this year, so hopefully we have a really good year again, like we did last year. And let me go to one more thing here. Performance level reports. Okay, so our attendance rate, our building rate's 90%, obviously below district and state levels. We have had problems with attendance in the past, but we're working to try to get those kids into school as much as we can see them. So that's been something that has been on the radar for our school as well. There's one more I wanted to talk about here. Let's see if I can get to it. Okay, so yeah, our high school graduation rate, the success rate, and our effective rate, you can see is down at 32%. This is back, we're at 29% right now from 2017. So I'm hoping our district, our building numbers go up for that a little bit, because that's the Wichita district total. So, but other than that, looking forward to this year. I know West High can be a tough place to teach, but we've got some good kids, and I'm going to do everything I can to help them have a good high school career and hopefully be stronger students moving forward when they go to the college level. Have a good week.